Checking if two arrays are broadcastable in Python. According to the documentation, this URL, two arrays are broadcastable if one of the following conditions are true. I tried to implement this in Python, but having a trouble in understanding the second and third rule. Not getting the answer that I am expecting, but I want to know what error that I am making in my code and a possible solution to this error.
I haven't tried to implement this as code, but the way I reason things is: compare the shapes. If one has fewer dimensions, add ones at the start to match. Again compare, and replace all ones with a corresponding dimension from the other array. For example, if I have a 3, 1, and 3 array, expand the 3 to 1, 3. Now change both to 3, 3. In another recent question I use broadcast underscore. I start with a nd array, reduce one dimension to 1 with np.mean, and keep dims, and then re-expand it with broadcast underscore. Arbitrary n-dimensional repeat of n-dimensional numpy array. In a recent answer, this URL a 2 3 is broadcasted with a 4 3 with a column none makes the 4 3 into a 4 1 3. There's an implied final a colon. B is automatically expanded from 2 3 to 1 2 3. Now both can broadcast to 4 2 3. So the 2 3 can't broadcast with 4 3, same ND but different values. But it can broadcast with 4 1 3.
Here's a concise expression to check if two arrays are broadcastable.
Here is the same thing using numpy's own broadcast function.
Content.